Okay, so welcome to Wulumuqi, or Ürümqi as it's called here in the Xinjiang province here in China. I'm next to a nice food street. I'm gonna go and explore here, start a trip in a very nice way. If you wanna follow along, check out this video and the other ones. I'm gonna travel around a lot by car, so let's go out and check out what they have. I can already see a lot of good stuff here in the background. I only had some bad airplane food and like 3 apples earlier today. And now it's like 4 p.m. so gonna walk around here. I'm sure it's gonna be a lot of fun stuff to try, so I'm gonna show you a bit of everything. This stuff is looking pretty interesting. I think it's like sausages and he seems to get it in the bun here. I think this is gonna be my first dish to try here. Just gonna have a small one here. Wow, making it for us. Yeah, that looks fantastic. Okay, so let's try this first meal. It's some sort of rice-based thing here. So let's try this first thing, then I'm gonna try the meat. Cilantro and a lot of good chili and cumin. That is nice. Let's go for the meat. As you guys know, I love my meat. So wow, here we have some good piece here. Looks like a sausage, but it's like rice. Wow, that's looking crazy good. With chili. Fantastic. I can tell now this is going to be an amazing trip. That was the first dish. We have a lot more to come, so let's continue. Okay, this is getting better and better. Now we have some crazy good meat here in the background. Definitely try it. I think it's lamb. We'll see. Let's get a piece and try it out. Cutting up the meat here freshly for us in the background. Nice. Wow, that is looking crazy nice. Okay, so now we have the second insanely amazing meal. We have like a whole mountain of lamb. They eat a lot of lamb here in Xinjiang. It's a Muslim place. Beef and lamb. Wow, I mean, just take a look at this. That's some crazy stuff. You have a lot of bones here, but let's try it out. I think I managed to get mostly bone. Okay, let's try another here. Take a look at this one. Lamb and a lot of cumin and a lot of good fat. That is amazing. So juicy. Wow, that's some crazy stuff. Take a look at this. Let's dig in. I think I just arrived in food heaven. So good. This is gonna be an amazing trip. Okay, I'm gonna take my time and enjoy this, and we'll see what's next. So see you soon. Yeah, here we have a bit of a local specialty, kind of a naan bread. I met this very nice guy in the background who offered to share some of his bread with me, so let's try it out. Pretty plain kind of staple food, but still very nice. Wow, it's sunny outside. For those of you who've tried like Indian cuisine, it's kind of a similar naan. Normally eat that with butter. Here it's probably healthier. Very nice. I think it goes pretty nice with the lamb. So as you can see, there's like stalls everywhere here. Just gonna walk around and basically just eat for the whole day. A lot of calories, a lot of fun. So see you soon. It's a lot of stuff that's not really my favorite. It's like you have sheep belly here with meat inside. Maybe it's good, but not my favorite. Also you have all these kind of pig feet. Also I'm sure it tastes good, but can't eat everything. Or maybe you can, but it's probably not a good idea. Gonna save some space for what I really want. Wow, here we have more amazing stuff here. You have some beef stew, I guess. And here, maybe stomach. Looks, yeah, stomach. And more pig feet. Amazing, a lot of good stuff. You don't think it's pig feet, or is it donkey maybe? Some sort of cow. Ox. So many good sausages and like meat everywhere. It's crazy here. It's meat heaven, that's for sure. So if you don't like that, that's probably not for you. Ooh, and here we have this nice rice also with the lamb. I really like this one. Wow, now we're talking meat overload here. This is crazy. Yeah, I don't mind people filming me when I'm filming the meat. I mean, this is to be documented. This is crazy good. It's gonna be a lot of meat on this trip. This is looking crazy good. This is really amazing here. A lot of good stuff. Okay, let's try one. It's looking amazing. Wow, here we got it. Freshly made. Okay, now we got this amazing crunchy and crispy meat here. Hope you can see all this amazing texture here. Okay, let's have a bite. Less fatty than another one over there, but very juicy. It's crazy nice. Let's see if we can find a bit more. You can see some of the fat inside here. Makes it so much more tastier. Yeah, it's insanely good. I'm gonna sit down and enjoy the rest of this, but so far, extremely good. See you soon. Yeah, we're definitely off to a very spectacular start here, but there's already moved stuff around the corner here. Some baked lamb or chicken. I'm not sure. Looks very good. Trying to sell me one of these Aladdin lamps here. Definitely a bit more of a Arabic feel than East Coast China or Beijing and Shanghai. Very different culture, I must say. Just walking inside here, checking out all the stuff in the bazaar. We came from the food street, obviously. We have a lot of like hats and very exotic things here. Also like silk and clothes, also jade. I'm not really a guy who buys a lot of stuff, but for those of you who like to walk around and do that, that's fun. I like to buy more food instead. It's very popular here with the jade to have as jewelry in China. Not so common in the West, but definitely a very popular gift here. Okay, so I think I'm gonna keep it short here today. It's been a quite long day. I actually got up at 3:30 in the morning for the plane. Now we're here, very far away, 4 hours northwest of Beijing, finishing off with some healthy fruits after all that meat. They have this pretty cool background here with a mosque, similar, like Arabic style of buildings, really cool. A lot of eating just today. But then tomorrow we're gonna go a bit of a long road trip driving 7 hours. So if you wanna see more of that, give me a like, subscribe, see you tomorrow.